Hey, this is Connie with Wise Lake Auction. Just wanted to give you a little preview of what this auction is going to entail. This is a workshop, but just let you spin around and get the overall view of it real quick. We've got everything you need to get your own workshop going. If you need additional parts to your existing, then we've got it. It looks like we've got just about everything you need. There's a lot of saws, drill presses, sanders, planers, lathes, just about everything that you need. Lots of woodworking tools as well. So what we really wanted to talk to you about is the logistics. So if you think about how heavy some of this equipment is, we just want to make sure that if you're bidding on some of these heavier pieces that you're aware and prepared on day of pickup to be prepared with whatever you need in order to get these. Some of these pieces weigh over 1,000 pounds, so just be aware of that. We've got saws, we've got chisels, we've got drill bits, we've got what are you looking at there? You're looking at handheld saws. We've got a whole collection of templates over there for boxes. We have a planer, we have a drill press, we have another planer. We have some woodworking items that's already been set up for you there. You could use those for templates. We've got table saws, bits, saw blades, just about everything you can think of, clamps. This piece right here is very, very heavy. Just, you know, if you're bidding on it, you know that. This is a pretty neat piece of machinery here. This is a carver. So you put something over there on the right side, use a guide, and then you can actually duplicate it there. So there's a compressor. And this is a big old sander right here. A couple of other sanders. Then we're going to go back over here. A couple of really nice work tables that have electric attached to them. All kinds of drill bits, tools. Have a whole room in here that's got handheld power equipment, supplies for whatever you want. Clamps, a little bit of everything. And then we go back over in this direction and I'll show you a couple of things over here in this other room. There's 3 large lathes. We're not going to go back into that section today, but look at that. That's pretty neat. And then we have every kind of woodworking book you can possibly imagine. And look at all this over here. We've got chisels, saws, all of these. Lots of really good stuff in this auction. And I know it's kind of hard to see in this room here, but every kind of woodworking magazine that you can possibly think of, those are in there. They're all vintage. And that's it. Just kind of wanted to talk to you about that part. Just please be aware that this is very heavy equipment. We don't have extra help when we do a pickup for things like this, so please bring help with you, anything that you think you might need in order to get these things loaded up. So we appreciate you coming to Wise Lake Auction, bidding with us, and we'll see you on the day of pickup. Thank you so much.